Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about RocketReach, which is a web-based database that helps connect with the right professionals. We are going to tell you what it actually is, go a little bit into depth, and also create some kind of beginner's tutorial how to get in, which is very easy, and also some kind of mandatory steps if you really want to be, let's say, useful in this web-based database. So what this beautiful RocketReach actually is. It's a tool that allows you to easily find phone numbers, email addresses, and social links for 250 million and more professionals. The advanced search feature makes it easy to find the right professionals and comes with an accuracy rate of over 85%. Launching the RocketReach Chrome extension from any website allows users to quickly find leads on AngelList, Crunchbase, Google, and also LinkedIn. You can select from a dozen of search criteria and look up emails and phone numbers that match up with the requirements. The tool offers complete profiles to be ahead of the competition. It allows users to develop lists and track marketing campaigns without leaving the platform. The tool empowers sales teams to reach the right makers directly using up-to-date links, emails, and phone numbers. Using the RocketReach, you can gain insights into company and data statistics. It's meant to be for all of the professionals inside of small businesses, medium businesses, large enterprises, and many more. We're gonna use it inside our browser. There's no such a thing that than like installing it into your PC. All you have to do actually is to log in inside the web browser, and that's it. That's more than enough, I would say. So what we have to do now, we can check the pricing, which is also nice. And as you can see, they are somehow hooking you inside of your workplace. So as you can see behind the plans and pricing, you see that there's your workspace and you are not even logged in yet. That's something nice, and I actually like it. So let's go back. Well, obviously they have three plans: Essentials, Pro, and Ultimate only. Annually you are going to pay 36 a month, 72 and 180. I'm not gonna go with each and every features of each and every option in here. Maybe you should do it for yourself and pick the plan that you fancy the most, because it would only make this video so long. So let's go back. How can we go back? Just like this. Oh no. So get started. I want to sign up. To the top right corner, and also try it for free from the main website. So as you can see, as I said before, this is somehow weird, or somehow you can just easily get inside. It's not that hard, as you can see. So we are going to just connect with a Gmail account, if that fits. Yeah, that's my name. Welcome to RocketReach. And just like that, it took one click and we are inside. Mark Cuban, okay. Let's search for Mark Cuban email, okay. And then get contact information, okay. And no credit charge, obviously, because that is like step-by-step option. So they can't really charge me for it. Verified email, possible valid email or bad email. Okay, what's next? Just like that, we can get more people. The left side is a little bit busy, I would say. or at least from my point of view, or at least from my perspective. This is something that I'm not really used to, because we already did couple of useful tips and tricks on similar apps or web products. So let's check it out. So what we have here, my list, that list would be pretty much empty. Create new list, well, there is Mark Cuban, obviously. Book lookups, upload leads, browser extension, integration and pricing. I really think that we should start with browser extension. Don't worry, I will show you how to uninstall it once we're finished. So what we are going to do, we're gonna install some extensions. It will already redirect you inside your web store, and here at the web store we just add it to the Chrome. It can read and change all your data on all websites. Okay, that's something new. And add an extension. Okay, so those are related. We already created videos about Hunter, so you can check it out. That's also very useful. And email finder by Snovio, also very nice, very useful. And what else do we know here that we created a video about? No, that's just a Hunter and Snovio so far, but there will be more, I promise you. So once we have the extension is in here in the top right corner of your screen. You can't really miss it. It's this puzzle on the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so install the Chrome and go next. And here we should find what we can get from this extension. So RocketReach, I'm gonna click on the RocketReach and it should show me, okay, we have the extension, we RocketReach logo on the edge, browser to activate. If you don't see the logo, toggle the switch below and refresh to enable the extension on supported website you visit. Okay, refresh, RocketReach. Let's find what it actually does. Okay, so let's go to Twitch. Maybe you know the platform. It's really nice way to find what is it all about. So don't worry, I'm paid supporter of Twitch. And here we should be able to find, if you don't see the logo, toggle the switch below and refresh supported website you visit. Okay, so how can I find the supported website? Because I have all the, you know, what can be, let's go with nba.com maybe, and we should be able to get it, accept, okay, RocketReach, do your thing. Okay, here it is, yes. View employees on Rocket list or Rocket search. We're gonna click on the extension and check for the actual. Okay, Victor William, here we are. That's beautiful. That really is nice. So how does it work? Victor Williams, okay, get contact info, Michael May, Vivek Setia, Baron Sproul, Amy Brooks, Amadou Fall, Salvatore La Rocca. Okay, all of those work for NBA. Okay, and we can get, let's not go for the most expensive one. Let's go somewhere like get contact information. Add it to my contacts, and we can move to list. Okay, is in my contacts. Just like that, you can go, okay, Mark Cuban is already well, pre-added to your RocketReach. That's beautiful. And let's see if on every website that we are going to visit, for example, let's go, what do I have here that I can use? Okay, murloc.io. If you are a World of Warcraft fan, that's something that you probably know. And here we have the RocketReach. And RocketReach can look for all the contacts. So search profiles, and let's say, because it's not very well known website, but it's still only showing NBA. People or company. My contacts and menu. Okay, I'm not even surprised that murloc.io is not present on RocketReach, but I strongly think that it's just the people on the well-known webs. So just like that, we can go step by step, and maybe if you go and try maybe I'm gonna go sneaky on them. I'm gonna go with Czechoslovakian Trade Bank. It's in Slovak. Hopefully this won't really okay, but this works. You can easily find, it's a finance group. Okay, Chief Operation Officer. It works beautifully. It works beautifully. It's gonna, I believe it's a LinkedIn profiles. And found phones is available on plus phone plans. Okay, so this is beautiful. So far, I'm really excited about RocketReach, and I would say it's the best one that I've actually reviewed. Sorry Snow.io, and also sorry Hunter, sorry Applead, Honeybook, and all of those. This is what I really like. It's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky in here because all of those contact or in the search, this bar is pretty mishy-mashy. Maybe this needs a little bit of tuning. Because this can be somehow deceiving. And so far, as you can see, we used one lookup as part of this free version or free program. You have only 10. If you decide to go to pricing, let's check the lookups, since we know how to navigate and orient. And you have 1,500 annual lookups per user for $36 a month. That's 421 USD billed annually. Yeah, I can strongly see myself recommending you this product. This is something that's really nice. Yeah, and that's it. And as I promised to show you how to get rid of RocketReach if you maybe run out of a free trial or free lookups and you want to get rid of it. Go to the top right corner of your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and click on these three dots and go to extensions and manage my extensions. Those are the extensions that I have at the moment running in my Google Chrome, maybe you'll be surprised and you'll find yourself running more extensions, and maybe I helped you to solve your problem with slow browser. So you can either make it go quiet so you are not using it anymore, or you can easily remove it just like that. And here click on remove. Obviously they are going to go like, we are sorry to see you go, blah blah blah, but you know, I'm gonna remove seamless AI, which is, I'm not that happy with it, let's put it like that. So far RocketReach, in my opinion, something that if you're into this kind of business, you should really get and maybe even consider investing into it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.